Now we have continue, break, and pass statement. How do we use them? Actually, they are used to control the iterations of any loop. We might have to continue the loop, break it, or take it as an empty loop. According to our requirements, we will use these statements. First, we will see how does continue statement work. There is a short program written for this. If I run this program in execution, it will show the result. Control V. We have seen an error. We will concatenate with plus and in the end close the brackets. It gives the output TTOFTT. It means that continue statement takes our control of loop to the starting. We took a loop 4 in which letter is counter variable and we have executed it on string with the name of test. It will iterate letter by letter. It will do the comparison. T is equal to E. Our comparison is wrong. We have logical operator OR. Then it compared T with S. Both conditions are wrong. Means it will not come on continue statement. It will skip this block of F and current letter will be printed. It will print first letter T. The next alphabet will be E. E is equal to E. In OR, if any one condition is true, then a block code which will be running in it if will be executed. Through continue again, it will take our loop to start. It will not print anything. Then S will come. It will check our loop to start. It will not print anything. Then S will come. It will check S. S is equal to S. Again, another condition is true. It will not print S. Then small t. Here our condition will be wrong. Then it will print small t. Now our output will be first capital T, then small t, O, F, then capital T and T. It has not printed E and S. This is the work of continue statement. If I am going to use break statement here, it will only print the first letter T. When it took the first alphabet T, it checked the condition. It will be false. Continue statement took the loop to the starting, but break will bring it to the end and will terminate the program. How do we use pass statement? We have written a short program. Letter in geeks for geeks. Then we have pass statement. When I am going to execute this, it will print the last letter. If I remove this, it will return back an empty loop. Nothing will come as output. It has shown an empty output. Our loop is empty. If I don't remove, then it will print S, because S was the last letter. If I change the string, then whichever letter will be last, it will execute that. If I am going to write test, then it will print T at the end.